What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Beauty by Sweet Angel, where we glow from the inside out naturally. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do, y'all. Listen, excuse the background and the noise. We are at home in the kitchen, and this is reality TV. So come on in. Let's do this. Today, we're not just talking about skincare. We're not just talking about how to make yourself up. We're nourishing our beauty from within. I've got a powerful, refreshing juice that'll have your skin glowing, your energy flowing, and your body saying, thank you. It's called my Heart Glow Detox Juice. We've made it before, but we're going to bring it back again. I was able to find some watermelon, y'all, and I hope, well, it doesn't matter if it's sweet or not. It doesn't matter. But this one is made with watermelon, beetroot, celery, and carrots, all packed with vitamins and antioxidants your body will love. So come on, grab your juicer. Y'all know I got my Bella, that's my baby, and let's get glowing, because baby, we gonna glow the natural way. Let's get to it. So here's everything we'll need for our Heart Glow Detox Juice. We've got everything right here, but we're gonna take 2 cups of sweet, juicy watermelon. We hope it's sweet. That's going to keep us hydrated and add that natural sweetness. We need 1 medium beetroot. This little beauty helps improve blood flow and gives your skin that healthy glow. Take 3 medium carrots full of beta carotene for that radiant, youthful skin, and 2 celery stalks. That's perfect for detoxing and flushing out toxins. You can also toss in a little piece of fresh ginger if you want, and a half lemon for a tangy kick if you like, for extra vitamin C. Now, first things first, always wash your fruits and veggies really well, even if they're organic. We want everything squeaky clean. Next, we're going to peel our beetroot and carrots if they're not organic. Then chop everything into smaller chunks, just small enough to fit into your juicer chute. Now it's time for the fun part, juicing. I like to start with the celery first, but it really doesn't matter. Then the carrots, the beetroot, and finish it off with the refreshing watermelon, or however you want to do it. It doesn't really matter. If you're adding lemon or ginger, go ahead and pop that in as well. The watermelon at the end helps flush all those beautiful colors through your juicer. Now, y'all, look at the color, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. This right here is liquid beauty. Now give it a stir to blend all those flavors together, then pour it into a glass. If you've got extra, store it in an airtight glass jar and pop it in the fridge. It'll stay fresh for up to 24 hours, maybe 48 if you keep it sealed tight. This is so refreshing. Sweet, earthy, and hydrating all at once. This juice is perfect first thing in the morning or anytime you need a little natural pick-me-up. Now, remember, beauty starts within, and a little self-care in your cup goes a long way. So go ahead, make your Heart Glow Detox Juice, and keep glowing with me, your girl Sweet Angel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this with someone who needs a glow up from the inside out. Bye!